Hi everyone, how is everyone doing? Just give us a few minutes to get everybody in here and then we'll get started. If you're watching the recording, just want to let you know that this relaxation activity will probably start a few minutes into the recording. Because I'm teaching this live, it will take a few minutes to get everyone together here online. So what this is this is a video with me reading a relaxation script. It will involve muscle relaxation, deep abdominal breathing, and affirmations. You're going to want to get in a comfortable position and dim your lights if at all possible. It's best if you can lay down while I'm talking, but if not, just try to find a place where you can totally relax your body, including your head. So you want to make sure you have some way to lay your head back if at all possible. So those of you who are joining live, go ahead and tell me in the comments where you're joining from. I'd love to see how many people are watching this around the world. And if you're watching the recording, go ahead and let me know where you're watching from. I am located in Lexington, Kentucky. So go ahead and put that in the chat box, comments, let me know where you're watching from. And again, just a reminder that we'll get started in just a few minutes. And when we do, you'll want to be in a comfortable position with the lights dimmed. So also feel free to tell us how things are going in your area. I know there's been a lot of uncertainty, worries, fears, disruption around the world. You know, big things have changed, little things have changed. Our schedules are changing, our children's schedules are changing, routines are being disrupted, even jobs being disrupted. And I believe that it's even more important at times like this to calm our nervous systems. And that's what we're going to be doing in this relaxation session. So far, we got people joining from, looks like all areas of the US as well as Canada. So go ahead and when you join, let us know in the chat box where you're coming from so that we can see who is all here together in this community event. Also, if you just joined, make sure you go ahead and dim your lights and find a comfortable spot to sit where you can relax your head. And while you're getting into a comfortable spot, I'll explain what kind of relaxation practice this is. This is a sample of the sort of relaxation exercise we teach in the evidence-based birth childbirth class. It's also part of our evidence-based birth comfort measures for labor and delivery nurses workshop. A similar script is also available in our pocket guide for comfort measures, which many of you may already own. In our childbirth class, partners read a script that's similar to this to the person who's pregnant once or twice per week. Each script is a little different, but they all focus on multiple ways of relaxing. So if you're just joining us, we'll get started in a minute. I want you to go ahead and find a comfortable spot and dim your lights. So why we use multiple relaxation strategies at once? There's actually been a lot of research on relaxation in labor and relaxation in general. But researchers have found that when they look at people in labor, they found the best way to make someone more comfortable in labor is to use multiple non-pharmacologic strategies all at once. So you don't just do muscle relaxation or just breathing or just music or just essential oils. Instead, we teach people how to combine multiple modalities together at once because that's how you achieve more comfort and a sense of calm and peace. And so what we've found is that people attend our classes at Evidence-Based Birth, either professionals or parents, really love doing this kind of relaxation exercise. And I'm going to read you a script that's similar to the kind that we read in class. And at the end of class, usually when I'm reading this, by the end, everyone looks really calm and relaxed and sleepy. So that's kind of what I want to achieve by the end of this video. I want you to feel really calm. Despite all that's going on in the world today, despite all our worries and fears, there's always one thing we can control, and that's how our body and mind can respond to the stressors. So today we're going to choose a relaxation response to stress. All right, is everyone ready? Hopefully you're in a comfortable place with your lights dimmed. So I want you to do now is to set your screen down. If you're holding a phone, set it down, don't look at it. If you are near a computer, just kind of, or tablet, set it aside so you're not looking at it. And just let the sound of my voice guide you. All right, let's get started. So when you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes if that feels right to you. And let's start by relaxing your muscles. This is something you can practice at home, at work, anytime or anywhere you feel tense. So first, shrug your shoulders up. Feel the tension in your shoulders and neck. Now relax your shoulders. Relax. Let them fall down, down, down. Now feel your head. If you're lying down, let your head sink into your pillow. If you're sitting on a couch or a chair, let your head lay back like gravity is pulling it down. Let your head release into the gravity. Now feel your jaw. Relax your jaw. Let it fall while keeping your mouth closed. Put the tip of your tongue behind the back of your top teeth. Squeeze your eyelids shut and scrunch up your face. Now let it relax. Now I want you to squeeze your hands into fists just ever so briefly, then release. And let your hands relax and fall limp. Now I want you to notice your legs. Feel how heavy they are. Let them fall into gravity and be supported by that feeling of gravity. Now they feel limp, loose, and heavy. Now relax your shoulders even deeper and let your head sink even deeper into where it's relaxed. Now we're going to focus on your breathing. You're going to learn how to do abdominal breathing. Place your hand on your abdomen gently. Now when you take a deep breath in, focus on your abdomen rising up. And when you exhale, it should go back to normal. Try it a few times. It might feel different. So many people breathe with their shoulders, but to really relax, you need to learn how to breathe with your abdomen. Let's try it again, all together, all around the world. Breathe in, abdomen goes up and out. Breathe out, abdomen shrinks back down. Breathe in, abdomen goes up and out. Breathe out, abdomen shrinks back down. Try to keep up that same pattern as we now focus on making our breaths in and out deeper and more calming. Now I'm going to ask you to take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, then breathe out, making a quiet sound like you are frosting a window pane, but keep your mouth closed. At the end of each breath in and each breath out, you will pause just a few seconds when I say pause. Let me demonstrate that breathing for you, then we'll do it together. In through your nose, then out, making a frosting sound, but with your mouth closed. All right, let's do it together. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, and pause. Now breathe out with the frosting sound. 1, 2, 3, and pause. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. Now breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. This time 5. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause. Now breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause. Again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pause. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pause. Now keep doing this for a little bit. Keep breathing in deeply and slowly, pausing for a few seconds, and breathing out deeply and slowly, and pausing for a few seconds. Now let yourself breathe slowly in a manner that's comfortable to you. Notice how you're feeling. Now that your breathing is relaxed, I want you to say to yourself, either out loud or inside your head, the word calm or peace, whichever one feels right to you. And I want you to remember this feeling of calmness and peace. This can be your cue word. Whenever you say this word, you can recall this feeling of relaxation that you feel right now. And if you're pregnant and you're going to be giving birth, you'll be able to summon this feeling of peace at any time. And if you're a professional and you're going to a birth, you can also feel totally peace and at calm. Now let's turn to your thoughts. I want you to take any thoughts that are floating through your head, any stresses or worries or fears, and just notice them without judging. It's okay to have these thoughts and worries. We are all worried from time to time, especially when there are tough situations going on in the world. There's no shame in being worried. But now we're going to take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now breathe out. And as you breathe out slowly and gently, all those thoughts and worries and concerns will blow out with your breath. Now you can see those thoughts floating in front of you. Take another deep breath in, slowly. Now breathe out and let your breath out carry those thoughts so that they float away ever so gently until it's just you here, feeling calm and at peace. You might even feel a little bit drowsy, and that's okay. And while you're sitting here or lying there feeling so comfortable and calm, let's all together fill our minds with positive thoughts that will bring us a sense of peace. Take a deep breath and either say out loud or think inside your head, I am feeling calm and relaxed. Say silently or out loud, I am perfectly capable of coping with whatever situation comes my way. Say to yourself, I will focus on the positives today. Say to yourself, I feel loved and safe. If you're pregnant or expecting a baby, you can say to yourself, our baby is healthy and strong. And now when you're ready, you can wiggle your toes. And if you want to, you can open your eyes. As I sign off, you can take a few minutes to relax, lying there or sitting there if it feels good. There's no need to get up right away. When you're done, feel free to come back to the chat box if you feel up to it and just give us a little message, letting us know if you feel a little bit calmer as a result of using these comfort measures. And you can come back to this video anytime. It will be on the Evidence-Based Birth Facebook page, and you can rewatch whenever you need it. Thanks, everyone, for breathing with me today. Bye.